Ever wondered where your tax money goes? Well, let's break it down. Taxes are essentially contributions that individuals and businesses make to the government. This collective pool of money is then used to fund public services and projects, from building roads to maintaining parks. The government collects these taxes from a variety of sources, like your income, the things you buy, and even your property. So, basically, taxes are a way of sharing your money to help everyone. Now, you might ask, why are taxes so important? Well, let's imagine a world without taxes. It's a world without well-maintained roads to drive on, without public schools to educate our children, and without healthcare facilities to treat the sick. It's a world stripped of the conveniences and services we often take for granted. You see, taxes are the financial lifeblood of our society. They're the contributions we all make to ensure the smooth functioning of our communities, towns, cities, and countries. Taxes are what fund the creation and maintenance of our infrastructure, the roads, bridges, and public transportation systems we use daily. They provide the resources needed for public education, ensuring every child has access to learning. They also finance our healthcare system, so everyone can receive medical treatment when they need it. In essence, without taxes, we wouldn't have many of the conveniences and services we often take for granted. But where exactly does your tax money go? Let's break it down. The government uses tax revenue to fund various sectors that keep our society running smoothly. Imagine your tax contribution as a pie, and every slice represents a different sector. One of the biggest slices goes to healthcare. This helps to fund public hospitals, medical research, and healthcare programs. Another significant slice is dedicated to social security, which supports the elderly, the disabled, and families in need. Defense also takes up a substantial portion. This covers everything from maintaining a strong military to protecting our borders and ensuring national security. But the pie doesn't end there. Smaller yet equally crucial slices are also allocated to education, infrastructure, and science. These sectors provide for our schools, maintain our roads, bridges, and public utilities, and fund important scientific research. So every time you pay taxes, you're contributing to the well-being of your community, your country, and even yourself. So, to wrap it up, taxes are more than just a financial obligation. They are the lifeblood of our society, playing a crucial role in funding public services and infrastructure. By paying taxes, you're contributing to the education system, healthcare, roads, and much more. So the next time you fill out your tax return, don't see it as a burden. Instead, view it as your contribution, your investment in the well-being of society. Remember, when you pay your taxes, you're not just giving away your money, you're investing in your society.